Suabe pero kalkulado. Pinong dance patterns, step sequences, and maneuvers. Ipinakita yan ng American Olympian and world medalist figure skaters and ice dancers na sina Alex at Maya Shibutani sa miyembro ng national team ng Pilipinas. At kung paanong sa loob ng 20 taon na perfect na nila ang style at rhythm o yung tiempo sa yelo. Nasa Pilipinas ang Shib Sibs bilang sports envoy ng US State Department.
We work together, and so that collaboration, we're working towards the same goal, whether it's a competition or a performance.
Nakatuon na raw ang kanilang oras sa pagsasanay ng bagong henerasyon ng figure skaters at ice dancers.
We learned so much about resilience in our time as competitors, and to be able to share what we've learned with the next generation is something that's so important to us.
Kabilang dito ang sparkle artist na si Sky Chua.
It was really like a dream of mine to have them come here. And not even like skate with them. As in, dream ko lang makita sila. Ganun lang, kahit not talk to them. I just want to see them in person.
Muli ring nakita ng magkapatid ang two-time Olympian na si Michael Martinez, ang kaisa-isang Pilipinong nag-qualify sa 2014 Winter Olympics at 2018 Winter Olympics. Nagsample rin sina Michael at Maya ng ilang ice dance routines. Si Michael umaasa na may isa pang Pinoy na makakasunod sa kanyang yapak at makapag-qualify sa 2026 Winter Olympics sa Italy.
Hopefully, I think we're from the previous nationals natin, I think there's a couple of promising skaters. So hopefully, they will be able to qualify for the next one.
Posible naman daw ito kahit walang snow sa bansa at limitado ang access sa libreng ice skating rink.
We really encourage the next generation to dream big and believe in themselves. And the thing that we love about figure skating is that it's so foundational in dance and movement. And so there are ways that you can spend time off the ice where you'll see the results on the ice.
When we live in Los Angeles, but we're able to focus on our bodies and our minds. And I think the challenge of figure skating is the creativity. We do so much mental visualization.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako po si JP Soriano, ang inyong saksi.
Mga kapuso, maging una sa saksi. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang balita.